This is something my father-in-law used to tell me. I feel so good, I feel guilty. I feel so good, I feel guilty. We talking about $250 million that the state of Maryland owe me. Because I was making a documentary. Y'all made Baltimore the Wire? This is Baltimore Rewired, the money behind the machine. And the machine is your war on drugs, your prison industry, N62528. I'm a political prisoner because of my politics. That qualifies me as a political prisoner. And I'm copywritten. Yeah. So shorty, pull your mask up. Brandon Scott, you never paid me for this. And I ain't gonna never pay you for this neither. It's Operation Greylord. It's about the money and the corruption in the courts. Alright, the courts. If you go directly to Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court, I contacted them when I started this. Alright? We're talking about Public Accommodations Act and the 13th Amendment. I'm giving you flowers now, not later. This is parole and probation. All right, that's parole and probation. America's prison industry. All right, that's the Department of Justice, Eric Barron. That's Ivan Bates. That's Brooke Learman. You see who that is? That's Governor Larry Hogan. Governor Larry Hogan made $4 billion off the prison industry, and he suppressed the vote for ex-felons while he was in office. The whole 8 years. All right, Ivan Bates got this. The NAACP, Derek Johnson, Kobe Little, that's the U.S. Department of Justice, Federal Bureau of Prisons. That's the NAACP. Y'all went online, y'all went in public and called me Quarantel Pro. Y'all said I worked for the police. I work for Shorty. Don't nobody own me. You see who that is? All right, that's Delegate Stephanie Smith. That's Luke Clippinger and Bill Ferguson. That's Marilyn Mosby. And the state of Maryland owe me $250 million. And it's all right here. All right? It's all right here. Department of Justice and everything is all right there. I use a toilet because the toilet don't care if you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. Y'all ain't tough on crime. Y'all tough on us. And I'm going to be tough on Scott Shellenberger. All right? That's Jared Jimenez from the Board of Elections. We talking about voter suppression. Ex-felons got a right to vote. That's Jared Jimenez. Like I said, I'm a free black man. And if Donald Trump can go to court, so can I. Yeah, I'm going to get some court too. Court TV. Mackenzie Frost from Fox 45. Man, y'all want to endorse Trump? Knock yourself out. That's Governor Larry Hogan and Al Redmer. We talking about $250 million in intellectual property. I'm a member of Out for Justice. And I got my own reentry program. Yeah, that's Governor O'Malley and Shorty. And my reentry program was Shorty. Get Shorty. All right? So at the Enid Pratt Library on July the 8th at 6 p.m., you can view all of this at 6 p.m. All right? That's me. I'm the 2021 Weaver Award winner. All right? That's Mayor Brandon Scott and Shorty. Shorty, pull your mask up? No, Shorty, stop shitting on me. That's Mayor Brandon Scott and Shorty. I'm going to be selling these photos. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. Just like you. You feel me? That's Governor Westmoreland Shorty. We're going to tell the Westmoreland Shorty story. Like I said, I'm weaving in Baltimore. The best of the best. You feel me? The best of the best. We're going to talk about Baltimore, and we're going to talk about it with Baltimore, the people that know me. That's Senator Benjamin Brooks, and Senator Benjamin Brooks got everything. Yeah, that's Senator Van Hollen. That's Kwaisi and Fumi and Ivan Bates and me. Like I said, get Shorty. That's the mayor of Montgomery, Alabama. All right? And like I said, that's the stop stitching video from 2006 when y'all started this. The art of getting money when Governor O'Malley put it in effect. So I just want what you took from me. I want that $250 million. That's Dred Scott. I'm a free man in one state and I'm a slave in another. It's about your prison industry. And it ain't something that you can stop. You feel me? This ain't something that you can stop. What do you want to do when you grow up? I want to be alive. That's my son. So I got to set up some type of fund for him to be taken care of. I gave you the Shorty program. All right? And part of the program was right here. Visual and performing arts. Political involvement. Photography. Journalism. Technology. Law. Sports. Cultural exchanges. Here goes my visual. All right? Making a documentary about Baltimore ain't against the law. That's me in 2007. You see the date, 12/24/20. Yeah, I'm not Emmett Till. I'm not Freddie Gray. It's the art of getting money, and I want mine today. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Shorty, pull your mask up? No, Shorty, stop shitting on me, because I'm getting ready to shit on y'all. That's President Biden in the Department of Justice. See the date, 2021. That's the IRS. I need a federal and a state audit. That's Letters Design. It's my intellectual property, covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. That's the United States Senate, 2007. Dwayne G. Davis, 11950 Falls Road. All right? In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. All right? That's Senator Ben Cardin's. The documentary was about you, Senator Cardin's. It was about your prison industry. That's received February the 5th, 2008. Attorney General Registry Disciplinary Committee in Chicago. Althea Welch. P.O. Box 38. See that? Shorty. Dwayne G. Davis. Falls Road. That's the Sundance Film Festival. But I was locked up and I couldn't make the festival in 2008. So I made this into the festival. You see that? People of the state of Illinois versus Dwayne G. Davis. I never got a trial. 07C of 4988. That's David Irwin, attorney at law. Ed North, CBS Radio. Cheryl Nelson. Dwayne Gerald Davis Jr. Philip Davis. Congressman Elijah Cummings. Rob Fix. Glenn Nelson. Paul Weinblatt. Sheriff Fisher. Senator Ben Cardin. Senator Barack Obama. Because Barack Obama asked for an investigation in 2008. Right here. That's me, Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner. You feel me? Attorney General number 08 IG. False imprisonment for filming a documentary. That's Dwayne G. Davis, 074988. Like I said, I never got a trial. So the ball's in your court, Governor. I asked for exoneration of the Supreme Court because y'all locked me up in Maryland and Illinois for making a documentary about your prison industry. That's commode motion. If I go to jail, I got to share that toilet with an inmate. 2024, I'm going to share it with the world. I'm going to share it with Monopoly because if you got property, you got a toilet in it. It's art and activism, the art of protest. That's President Obama. See the date? So we're going to talk about President Obama, President Biden, President Bush, and Mayor Brandon Scott. You and me, kid. 12/26/1959. 12/26/2023. We got a birthday coming up. That's President Biden. And that's Kwa'ise and Fome. All right? I voted. Yeah. See the date? 2006. Dear Mr. Davis, 1190 Falls Road. Get Shorty. I got a right to property. Like I said, Dred Scott, do blacks have rights which white America respects? You want us to vote for you. You won't stand up for Palestinians and you won't stand up for black America. So why should we vote for you? We're not going to vote for him neither. We're going to take y'all to court. Operation Greylord. We're going to go to court about your money. That's Kwa'ise and Fome. And that's Gov.O'Malley. We're going to shine the light on this one. What do you want to do when you grow up? I just want to be alive. These are the kids I work with in the community. If you look at these kids, these are the seeds I planted. You feel me? They in high school and college now. You feel me? And those are boxers. If you look up Sean Robinson, these is his kids. You look at Best the Book Bus, we're giving out over 1.8 million books for free in the city of across the country. Google her, Best the Book Bus. It's an MPT learning moment. You feel me? You're going to learn something. You're going to learn about the money that they make off of us. You see who that is? That's Johnny Oleski and Bill Ferguson. That's Brooke Learman. That's Barbara Mikulski, Brooke Learman, Adrian Jones, Raskin, Hoyer, and Asselbrook. That's Judge Badar from the Dissent Decree. That's President Biden. That's the Department of Justice. And like I said, she been lying to you. So Ben Crump, NAACP, Derek Johnson, Kobe Little. Yeah, everything she got to turn over. She gonna be a witness. And so are you. Like I said, I'm a cook, I'm a caterer. I've been in y'all's houses. That's Ivan Bates. No, that's Marilyn Mosby. That's Marilyn Mosby. That's Vanessa Attenberry. She got all of this. All right. And that's Ivan Bates. So Ivan Bates is an officer of the court. If you have knowledge of corruption, that means you're supposed to handle that business. I got your phone calls. I got your phone records. Social media for social change. Fern Shin from the Baltimore Brew. We talking about FCC violations. Yeah. That's Xavier Conway from the clerk of the court. Inmate property report. Release all material to the voters. You feel me? That's Fox 45. And that's Jane Miller. That's Justin Fenton in the Washington Post, the Baltimore Banner, the Baltimore Brew. Fern Shin. Talk about the murder and the death of our kids, man. We supposed to bury our kids. Our kids ain't supposed to bury our kids supposed to bury us. We're not supposed to bury our kids. You feel me? And I'm not Emmett Till. And right here is where y'all destroyed evidence. See that? Like I said, I'm not Emmett Till. I never got a trial. And we're going to put the Constitution to the test.